guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. As y'all can see, guys, I'm a boss babe. I am looking fresh. I'm looking like a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. I'm really obsessed with this wig, you guys. It looks absolutely gorgeous. By the way, it came like this. It came pre-styled. This is how the mannequin is looking, and this is how I am looking. Okay, look at me. Look at me. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. It is beginner friendly, by the way, so meaning this wig is glueless. All you need to do is just unbox it, put it on your head, and cut the lace, and you're good to go. Okay, so without any further ado, guys, let's get straight into today's video. But before that, please do check the description box down below so that you can be able to purchase yourself this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. I also have a discount code for you guys. It is Manaso 23, and you're going to get yourself some coins off. Okay. So I quickly wanted to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect from Luvme Hair Company. This is their box. It is purple and silver. It looks gorgeous. The first thing that they were kind enough to send me was a wig cap. A girl can never have too many wig caps. A branded Luvme Hair comb and a branded Luvme Hair edge brush and a comb on this side. They were also kind enough to send me, what is this? I love goodies. I really love goodies. Oh, this is a mannequin. Okay, this is a mannequin. I have to, oh my goodness, it is purple as well. One thing about Luvme Hair, I'm telling you. So they were kind enough to send me a curling iron, a hot comb, and a hair straightener. So it is a 3-in-1 situation. This is amazing. Okay, this is really amazing. So if you are interested in purchasing this, I do have a link in the description box down below, so you can get yourself this. Okay, get yourself this. Then my favorite part of the video, guys, let's see what they sent me. Let me show you guys the wig. Okay, first of all, the wig is shiny. All right, look at that. Look at that. Look how shiny it is. And you know, they pack it so nicely that, you know, when it gets to you, you don't really have to do much. So meaning it's pre-styled as well. I think y'all can see the curl situation that is going on here. So that's one thing that I love about Luvme Hair wigs. Let me show you guys how it looks inside. It is a pixie, by the way, so I'm really excited. It is beginner friendly because it is glueless, and this lace is super soft. Look at the C-part situation. Absolutely love it. And this is how it looks inside. This parting is pre-bleached and pre-plucked as well, and this is a glueless situation, by the way. It has 3 combs, 2 on the sides and 1 over here. Okay, it also has this adjustable belt and also has 2 other adjustable belts. So baby girl, this wig is not going anywhere. Okay, all right, it's not going anywhere. This wig, see, these are the extra straps to adjust your wig accordingly. I'm also loving the way this wig, let me show you, this wig is nice and bouncy. Look at that. This wig is really amazing. So I'm really excited to be showing you guys how this wig looks. Okay, so as usual, guys, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process. And please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous unit from Luvme Hair Company. Let's get straight into today's video.
My heart is beating to your drum, and I'm blinded by the sunshine in your eyes. Not thinking twice, am I this dumb? Although no,
oh my gosh, this wig humbled me so much. Ooh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the parting, guys. This is absolutely amazing. I'm in love. I am in love. Oh my goodness. Do you see what I mean when I say this wig is already pre-styled? Look at me. The only thing that I did was just to wear this wig, and this is how gorgeous I am looking. Oh my goodness. Luvme Hair did what they were supposed to be doing. Ah, this is gorgeous. This is nice and soft as well. I'm looking gorgeous. Let us cut the lace and see how this wig is gonna look. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm literally going to be fighting with my sisters for this wig. Trust me.
My sweaty palms reveal a warning I should hear, but I don't care, you drive me mad. I'll ignore the truth and run to you, so we could drive away. You'll hear me say everything is gonna be okay. I don't need nobody else. Obsessed with you, try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself.
Guys, this is the wig straight out of the box. This is how the wig is looking, and this is how I am looking. Okay, I don't know how to style it because it is already styled. Look, it is moving when I move. I am in love. I love this wig. This pixie was made for me. Look at that. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm happy, guys. I'm really happy. I'm just gonna, style it over here just to frame my face, because look at that. Look at that bounce. Guys, I'm happy. I'm really happy. Period.
Can't help myself. Trying to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself. Trying to stop me, but I'm under your spell. And suddenly I'm by your side, 'cause I'm out of things to explain how I feel. It's better to enjoy the ride. I feel at home, never alone. My friends are asking me if I've left the planet, 'cause I seem high all the time. They think I'm in a film noir, but my impression is that I'm in heaven. So we could drive away. You'll hear me say everything is gonna be okay. I don't need nobody else. Obsessed with you, try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself. You know too well I need you close.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at @curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, bye guys.